A successful business understands the importance of leveraging its strengths and addressing its weaknesses. However, the challenge lies in identifying what the business is doing well and areas that require improvement. This is where a SWOT analysis comes into play. Hello everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage. In today's video, we'll delve into the importance of SWOT analysis, how to easily create one using Venngage, and how to apply its benefits to future business goals. So let's dive in. For those who aren't too familiar with the acronym SWOT, it stands for Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, and Threats. It can be used in a wide variety of cases, including developing a strategy, identifying a direction for the growth of your company, or even product development, just to name a few. A SWOT analysis aims to discover what your business is doing better than your competitors, or perhaps what your competitors are doing better than you. It involves identifying opportunities and how to maximize them, as well as reacting to external environmental threats. To guide you on what to include in analysis and help you craft a branded SWOT analysis, Venngage provides pre-designed templates. The best part is you can use Venngage for free and you can effortlessly customize these templates. Now, let's understand how SWOT analysis helps a business with an example. Consider you own a small manufacturing business that produces goods such as handmade crafts, recyclable plastic products, or apparel items. This SWOT analysis infographic serves as an effective tool to showcase the results. Identify strengths here, such as the demand for skilled workforce and efficient production. Identify weaknesses here, like outdated machinery. Mention opportunities here like adopting sustainable practices and be aware of threats such as rising raw material costs. Utilize the results of this SWOT analysis to make informed decisions. This could involve investing in modern equipment, implementing eco-friendly initiatives, or negotiating bulk purchasing deals. By taking a strategic approach, you ensure the long-term viability of your products in the market. You can incorporate your brand style guide to this SWOT analysis report easily with Vengage's My Brand Kit feature. Navigate to the Style option, choose Brand Kit, and select Add New Brand Kit. Here, incorporate your brand logo, colors, and fonts. Once you go back to your design, simply click the brand kit you've created, and the template will seamlessly adapt to your brand style. You can download it in any format you like. A want a shareable link? Get it from here. Or easily share it with your team members from here to gather valuable feedback. Similarly, we offer a variety of SWOT analysis templates like for your sales team training program, a quarterly SWOT analysis report for your fitness center, a thematic template for your software development company, or even a SWOT analysis for personal growth. Lastly, be mindful of determining the hierarchy of the issues listed in all 4 sections or quadrants. Prioritize them from the most important to the least before taking any actions. This thoughtful approach ensures a strategic and effective response to the identified factors. I hope you've learned the importance of SWOT analysis and how to create one. Give it a try and create your own with Venngage for free. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and until next time, happy charting!